Welcome to Have Fun, Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. I'm here to share another tip with you about Silver Dollar City. One thing the park has always tried to do is try to preserve the way crafters used to create their goods. Take a look at this. While you're on the square, stop and watch the Blacksmith show you some of the old-fashioned ways of making iron products at the Wilderness Road Blacksmith shop. Just down from the Blacksmith, check out Hazel's Cut Glass. Watch as glass blowers melt and shape glass into all kinds of beautiful keepsakes. I could stand here and watch this demonstration for hours. For all you knife carriers, how about stopping by the Mountain Outfitters Gun and Knife Shop? Not only can you see all kinds of knives on display, you might be able to watch them as they're making a knife. Be sure to stop by the duplicating lathe and watch as normal sticks of wood get turned into something unique that we all use on a daily basis. Now these are just a few of the craft demonstrations happening around the park daily, and they are all very unique in their own way. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these tips and tricks. But before you go, be sure to hit that like button if you got any value from this video. It's quick, easy, and a huge help to me. On the video shown here, I'll take you for a ride on the Frisco Silver Dollar Line steam train. You don't want to miss this one. Thanks for watching, and tell a friend.